Hello guys, and welcome back again to the channel. So today I have a very special video for you because I'm going to show you how easy it can be for you to be part of blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and other crypto coins, but most importantly how you can mine, or let's say how you can produce your own cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and other crypto coins. And how you can do this without any special knowledge about mining, and how you can do this without any particular or very complicated or very expensive machines to do that. But before we do that, as always, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Also turn on post notification and also like and share my videos because it would help me very much. Okay then, let's move on. If you are watching this video, it means that you want to know how you can mine, or let's say how you can create your own crypto coins like Bitcoin for example. And in my channel you can find many videos where I show you guys how you can do that. But for this now I am very happy to tell you guys that now there is a very simple way to do that, and for this you don't need any special knowledge about mining, and you don't need to have very special and expensive mining hardware, but you can do this with any PC you may have in your house, in your home, or at work. But just make sure that you can do that in your work so you don't get in trouble, so keep that in mind. Obviously, if you have all the things I mentioned above and you are already into the mining industry, then stick around because this video is for you too. All what I said can be done through this miner, which is called Cudo Miner. And believe me guys, that this is the easiest miner you will find out there. So basically this means that now all of you can begin mining and create your own crypto coins. I have been into mining for more than 2 years now, and Cudo Miner is the easiest and fastest miner you can find today. So this means that it does not matter if you are a noob or a pro in mining. With Cudo Miner, with a few clicks, you can right away begin mining, or let's say creating your own money, by simply using your home PC, or better using your mining hardware if you have some. Cudo Miner is a new miner that is in beta version right now, so for now when you mine with this miner you only will get paid in Bitcoin, as you can see in here, paid out in Bitcoin. But obviously there will be other coins coming because the dev team is working very hard for them, so don't get worried about this. But since we are in beta, we also get privileged from this miner by using it in beta modes, or as early adopters as they call. So if we go to early adopters in here, you can see that we have many privileges and benefits from the beta version. And for example, we get to mine with no fees for 3 months, and this is very good news because maybe you already know that while mining you have to pay different fees to the program you use. For example, Claymore has its own fee and other programs have their own fees, and you have to pay fees to the pool you use, and with Cudo Miner you pay nothing. And secondly, we also, as early adopters for this mining program, we get 10,000 satoshis for free as soon as we open a new account, and also we get 10,000 satoshi for every person that we refer to use this miner. They also announced on their Telegram group, which you can join by the way, that they are going to give away for the early adopters, and the price of the giveaway is an NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti. Yep, you heard it right. If you are lucky, you have the chance by using this miner to win the most powerful video card on the market right now, which costs more than $1,200. So to be part of this is very simple. You just go down on the video description of this video and click on my referral link, and it will take you right away to the page of Cudo Miner, so you can download it and begin mining in 5 minutes. Oh, by the way, I can tell you a trick with the referral link, and this is, you can use my referral link to open your first account, and begin mining on your PC or mining rig. And then if you have other PCs on your home or other mining rigs, then you can open other accounts there. So you can use your own referral link that you got from the first account. You just need a different email address, which we all do, I think, so this is very easy. In this way we all win, so I get something from you and you get something from me. It's a win-win scenario, let's say. Alright then, let's begin. So go to the video description and click on my referral link in here. After you click on my referral link, it will take you to the page where you just need to enter your email address in here and then click on download beta. After the download is finished, you go ahead and install the Cudo Miner on your PC or mining rig. And after that, it will show you must enter a username, so you just enter your username there, click create an account. Then it will take you to the home page of the console of the Cudo Miner. Then in here you have to sign up, so you basically just enter your email address and you set a password for your account and then click on sign up. After you click on sign up, you agree to the terms and conditions, then you set a name. So basically you need to enter your real name. It's better to do so. And it will take the username also. Then you click on save. Then you click on get started. And you are into the miner and the miner will be opened. Okay then, this is the miner itself, as you can see, and you can immediately begin mining by just pressing the start button. When you run the miner for the first time, it will test your hardware and give you the options of which coins you can mine and which is more profitable. I must point out though that with this bear market the profit is going to be very low, and if you pay the energy more than 15 cents for kilowatt hours, then you basically are losing money. But the beautiful thing is that if you plan to mine and keep your coins in long term, then the profit can be really good. With this miner you can mine either with your CPU, your GPU, or with both of them. Obviously, if they are supported and are able to mine, you can choose to turn them off if you like, or you can choose the intensity of the GPU with the slider that you see in here. As you can see, I've set it on 100%, but if you want you can set a lower intensity for your GPU, so your GPU will be stressed less, but obviously will mine less coins with that speed. The beautiful thing of Cudo Miner is not only that you can begin mining in 5 minutes, but also you can set the miner to mine only when you are using the PC, so it does not interfere with your work while you're using your PC. But I leave this miner always on, and it does not interfere with my work because it shuts down as soon as you move the mouse or press the keyboard. So basically this is the button in here. When you set it only mine when machine is idle, this means that if you are doing nothing with your PC, you are not moving the mouse or touching the keyboard, after around 30 seconds the miner will begin mining by itself. So you can turn this feature on or off if you like to. Then you can also choose to launch this miner at startup. So as soon as your PC starts up, this miner starts up with your PC. And you can also set Cudo Miner to mine on specific times in here. For example, you can choose the precise time on which your Cudo Miner should mine on your home PC, your mining rig, or whatever PC you have installed the Cudo Miner. But keep in mind though that this miner is in beta version, so I have talked to the devs and apparently the support for AMD drivers is a bit limited, but they are working constantly to fix that, and that all NVIDIA graphics cards work just fine with this miner. So if you are having problems with your AMD cards, just go to the blockchain drivers of August 23rd, 2017 and you will be fine, like I'm doing with mine. As you can see in here, I can can mine with my GPU, Monero or Aeon, and I have an RX 470 4GB cards, and I was having trouble with the latest driver, so I went back to the blockchain driver and all went smooth now. Okay then, so basically this is it for Cudo Miner, an overview. So definitely stay tuned because I will do other videos about these miners if you are interested. And so subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, as always, thanks very much for watching and catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.